This is the REOLINK 4K wired Wi-Fi outdoor camera. This thing is beautiful. This is not your cheap camera you see for $20. To hook it up, what you're going to first have to do is you do have to take an Ethernet cord and hook it up to your router. But once you're in and you connect it through your phone and that, they'll never have to connect it back into your router. Very easy to set up. Now it does have wired power, so you're going to just plug that into a wall outlet. But once that is done, this is easy. You can mount it like I did here, which is only a temporary mount. I actually suggest to mount it above so you can get that full 360. I want to thank REOLINK for sending this to me to review, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion. This camera can do so much. It's got auto tracking. It has 6x zoom, and I'm going to show you here what that looks like. You can actually have the camera up and zoom in, and on the top still be able to see the full picture. 360 degrees wide lens. It also has smart person, vehicle, and pet detection. Now I tried this out on my pets because of where it is. I couldn't do it on vehicles, but I would get alerts and would show a little dog paw. So getting those types of alerts is very important because where we're going to be moving to, I'm worried about other animals being in the yard if they are out, and this can warn you immediately when that is the situation. It does have ultra wide field of view, very nice looking at night 4K. It also has an automatic light. So when my pets would go out at night, the light would come on and shine on them. It can record onto a 512 gigabyte micro SD card through FTP and REOLINK NVR for storage. This does connect 2.45 gigahertz and Wi-Fi 6. Here's my honest opinion. I love this thing. What did I not like about it? I guess the one thing I didn't like is that I had to use the Ethernet cord to hook up to the router, but I believe that is for security reasons. The only other thing, when you plug this in, this is going to need a regular plug, so you can't hardwire it. If you're looking for a real camera and you don't want something cheap that's rechargeable, that doesn't do what you're going to want it to do, check out the REOLINK. I think you're going to be really happy.